Good morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes. So this is assignment number 3 of 10th class subject English. Topic grammar participles, right? Present participle, past participle and perfect participle. Okay? Now combine the following sentences using participles: perfect, present, past. Right? So let us see first one. I walked fast, I caught up my father. Perfect participle. Combine by using perfect participle. So when we are asked to combine by using perfect participle, so here we have to start with having plus V3 of this main verb. Having walked fast, I caught up my father. Right? Having walked. So this is perfect participle. Having plus V3. I was praised by them. I felt very happy. Past participle. When the given sentence is in passive form, right? So we have to combine them by using past participle. Simply the answer for this one is praised by them, I felt very happy. So this is past participle. Praised by them, I felt very happy. Next, third one. The housewife forgot her name. She was unhappy. Present participle. Present participle means verb in form. Simply, we can write the answer forgetting her name. So this is present participle. The housewife was unhappy. Next, fourth one. Father had addressed his son. He taught him valuable things. So combine by using perfect participle. Perfect means having plus V3. Having addressed his son, father taught him valuable things. So having addressed, perfect participle. Then fifth one. I passed the test, I felt enthusiastic. Perfect participle. So perfect means we have to begin with having plus V3. Having passed the test, I felt enthusiastic. So having passed, perfect participle. Now, he has done his homework, he went out to play. Perfect participle. Combine by using perfect participle. Perfect means having plus V3. Having done his homework. Having done his homework, he went out to play. Having done his homework, he went out to play. Seventh one. He had never worn shoes, his feet developed cracks. So combine by using perfect participle. Means having plus V3, but here it is given in negative, never. Having, we can write not or never. Having never wore shoes his feet developed cracks. Having never worn shoes, his feet developed cracks. Otherwise, he never having worn shoes, so that is optional. So like this we can write. Eighth one, I walked fast, I was tired. Perfect participle. Having walked fast, I was tired. Next, ninth one, I read the book, I returned it to the library. Perfect participle. So having plus V3. Having read the book, I return it to the library. Right? So last one, 10th one. He was recognized by his boss. He got an appreciation letter. Past participle. So here was recognized, it is in passive form. Right? Past participle. Or recognized by his boss. Recognized by his boss. He got an appreciation letter. Right, children? I hope you got this. Thank you. All the best.